How to check hero lores in Marvel Rivals. So first you simply need to click on heroes here at the top and just simply pick any hero that you want. So this will just basically help you get a background check on what character you're playing if you're not familiar with them yet. So let's say I want to check the lore of Jeff the Land Shark right here. So just simply click on the hero. Now once that's done, go to lore here at the top. And as you can see, there are only one lore that has been unlocked, so this will be coming soon. So the only available one is for the Sharknado right here. So just simply click on it, and as you can see, it will now have the lore of Sharknado right there, or the Sharknado lore, but this is the lore of Jeff the Land Shark right here. So it's pretty long, but if you really want to know who your character is or something, you could check this right here. And that's basically it.